Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for latest videos.
Hello friends, here in this video we are going to see the concept of a heat pump and also derive the formula for the coefficient of performance of a heat pump. So let's get started. I'll draw the diagram for the heat pump first. Now here is the diagram of a heat pump. Heat pump is that device which consumes work. That is, it is not a work producing device but a work consuming device. And when we give this work input to the heat pump, it will extract heat from the low temperature reservoir and deliver it to a high temperature reservoir, and this W is, that is the work input, Q1 minus Q2, and the source temperature is always greater than the sink temperature, which is denoted by T2. Source is T1 and T2 is sink temperature. Next, I'll write the COP. The COP of the heat pump. COP is a term which is similar to efficiency, but efficiency is in the form of percentage, whereas COP is in the form of a number, and basically when we write them, it is output upon input. The output from the heat pump is the desired effect, and the input is the work input. Then the desired effect is, when we are using a heat pump, it is delivering the heat to the high temperature source, and heat pump can also be said like it is a room heater which heats the room. So whenever we are heating the room, we are into the source, that is at high temperature, whereas the external conditions are having low temperature. Like in winter when we are using the heater, the outside condition would indicate sink, whereas the room condition would be the source because the heater is there inside the room. So here we are going to experience the desired effect. Like we are there in the source. So the heat pump is delivering heat to the source, which is Q1. So into the numerator there will be Q1, and work input is nothing but Q1 minus Q2. So this is the COP formula for the heat pump, and it can also be written in the form of temperature. So it is T1 upon T1 minus T2, that is temperature of source upon the difference of source and sink. Now how these heat transfers had been replaced with temperatures, for that I can explain. Like Q1 is given by the formula mc into T1, that is mass of the working medium, or which we are using here. C is the specific heat of that working medium, T1 is source temperature. Similarly for Q2 it is mcT2, and we put the values over here. So that would be COP for the heat pump is equal to Q1 is mcT1, Q2 is mcT2. So m into C would be taken common from the denominator. Then we have T1 minus T2, MC and MC gets cancelled. So the formula of the COP, which is there in the form of heat, can also be written in the form of temperatures. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. At the same time, share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.